The jungle was calm until it wasn't. We were on a jungle walk, just enjoying nature, birds chirping, leaves rustling, when suddenly a big rhino appeared. He was standing just a few feet away, staring right at us. He had a deep wound on his side, maybe from a tiger attack. And trust me, he was not happy. He looked at us with pure anger. We didn't wait to ask questions. We ran. Let's rewind a bit. The day started with excitement. We visited the National Wildlife Park with our family. It was a beautiful morning, and the air felt fresh and wild. The entrance had huge trees, and the sounds of animals already made it feel like we were entering a different world. Our first adventure was the Jeep Safari. Bouncing on dusty jungle roads, with trees brushing against the sides, we were thrilled. Suddenly, we saw movement in the bushes. It was a tiger, calm, majestic, and powerful. A few seconds later, we spotted deer running, monkeys playing on branches, and colorful peacocks spreading their feathers. Birds of so many types flew above us. It felt like we were inside a real-life documentary. Then came the elephant safari. Riding on an elephant's back is a special feeling. Slow, strong, and high up from the ground. The elephant walked gently through the trees, and we saw the jungle from a different height. The peaceful walk gave us time to enjoy nature in silence. Next, we had a ride on a wooden boat, made from a single big tree trunk. The boat floated smoothly on a calm river. Under the water, we saw small fish swimming. Then the guide pointed ahead. A crocodile was lying on the riverbank, mouth half open, eyes watching us. Chilling, but amazing. After the water ride, we went for a jungle walk with a guide. We walked slowly, listening to the jungle's voice. Every step felt exciting. That's when we met the rhino. Big, wounded, angry. For a second, everything went silent. Then it reacted. We turned around and ran as fast as we could. Luckily, the guide knew what to do, and we escaped safely. It was scary, but unforgettable. After all the adventure, we sat down and watched the local traditional dance. People dressed in colorful clothes danced to drum beats and local music. Their smiles and energy made us feel warm and welcome. We clapped and enjoyed every move. We also tasted the local food, spicy, fresh, and full of flavor. Simple food made with love. Sitting under the trees, eating with family after an adventurous day, it felt perfect. We took a lot of videos and photos during the whole trip. From wild animals to dancing locals, we captured memories that will stay with us forever. It was not just a visit, it was an experience that touched our hearts. If you ever get a chance, visit a wildlife park. It's not just about animals. It's about connection with nature, with people, and with yourself. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel Think for Rise.